In the past 15 months, I made over $500,000 selling digital products online. I spent $0 on paid advertising and done it all by myself organically. And in this free course, I'm going to show you the best digital products to sell, exactly what digital products I sold, how to create them, how to market and sell them, and also I'm going to give you a free digital product that you can start selling today. So all I ask in return is for you to drop a like on this video, and let's get started. Let's start with one of the easiest digital products you can sell, and that is video LUTs. If you are a content creator, the lowest hanging fruit that you can sell is video LUTs. You likely already use some kind of LUT for your videos. All you need to do is put that LUT for sale and promote it to your audience. That's how I got started in this digital product world. I simply began by selling a video LUT that I was already using on my Instagram Reels. This LUT was the reason I was able to generate $500,000 with digital products. And let me explain you how. But first, looking at my Gumroad analytics, we can see that this LUT generated nearly $3,000 in the past year. And the beauty about it is that I haven't promoted it at all. So just imagine how much more I could make with it if I constantly market it. And this thing is already built, so I don't really need to do anything else besides just put it for sale. So if you're not a content creator and you don't have LUTs that you can sell, don't worry. I'm going to give away my recent LUT package as a gift to some of you in few minutes, so you can sell them as your own. But first, let me show you how to build your digital product store in less than 1 hour. So you can sell those LUTs, for example. So in the beginning, I made a big mistake by choosing to sell my digital products on Gumroad. The software is great, but it takes a big fee for each sale that you make. So if you're selling something for $100, you're not making $100 on each sale. After fees, it's around $87. And those fees really add up when you reach $1,000, $2,000, or even $10,000 in sales. And that's why I think everyone should use Hostinger when starting their digital product business. You can host your digital products on Hostinger, and not only that, but Hostinger creates an entire landing page for your product with their AI tool. That means you don't even need to create a landing page yourself. And now with the early Black Friday sale, you can get everything you need to start your digital product business for just $3.49 per month. This includes a free business email, a free domain for your website, and 0% transaction fees. So if you want to claim this early Black Friday deal, just click the first link in this video description, which will take you to a page that looks like this. Select your plan. I highly recommend the business plan. It's only $1 more, but it comes with so many additional benefits. Once you reach the cart, enter the coupon code CREATOR. I've also left it in the video description for you to copy and paste it. With this code, you get an extra 10% off this offer. This coupon code works if you choose a period of more than 1 month. And if you get Hostinger using my coupon code, simply email me at the address that is shown on the screen right now, and I'm gonna send you my recent LUTs package for absolutely free. And bear with me, because now I'm gonna show you how to build a landing page for those LUTs and start selling them with organic marketing. All right, so once we sign up for Hostinger, it should look like this, right? And this is where you're gonna claim your domain, and domain name is very important, of course. And Hostinger, again, is giving you that for absolutely free, so you don't need to buy an extra domain. Once you get the Hostinger business plan, you can get a free domain. So click claim domain right here and enter the domain name for your business. Personally, I would just suggest you to have a domain name for your personal brand, right? So you could have your entire website built on Hostinger, and then you have a separate products that you're selling in one website. So it's less complicated. You can also have a blog. You can also be collecting emails there and running your own newsletter. You can have everything in one hub, which is pretty amazing. And I would highly recommend you to do it that way, so it's gonna have less complexity. So for example, for me, it will be creatorcaro.com. Right. Once you get your domain name, just go to websites and click add website. And since we're going to be using a Hostinger AI website builder, we're going to select Hostinger website builder, this one. All right. So again, the brand name, most of the time is just going to be your personal brand name, right? So in my case, it's Creator Caro. I'm going to add a short description for that video. So AI website builder could have an idea what type of website to build for us. So since I'm going to be selling dark aesthetic presets, so I'm just going to write dark aesthetic video LUT. And what you can do is you can literally copy what you wrote and go to ChatGPT. You would simply write expand more on this and make a longer description. This is definitely way too long. So I'm just gonna write make it shorter. Now I'm just gonna copy this, and after that's done, I'm just gonna click create a website. And while I'm waiting for AI to generate the website, just wanted to let you know, guys, that Hostinger also gives you 100 different templates you can use for your online store in case you don't like what AI has created for you. This will literally save you weeks if you're not familiar with building landing pages, and all of these templates come with your plan and are completely free to use. Okay, so AI finished designing the website for us, and I want you to think about it as setting a structure for your landing page. So now all you gotta do is just change images and change some pieces of text, because what AI done is generated the entire landing page framework and structure, and now we just need to fill it up with our own images and some text. Okay, so first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna click edit site, and for example, I would like to change this image to represent my digital product video lot that I'm gonna be selling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click edit section, and I'm gonna click image and replace image, and I'm gonna add a cover image that represents my video lot, right? It's just, in my opinion, the best thing you can do is just add before and after. The beauty about building this thing on Hostinger is that you're not only gonna build up your own digital product store, but you're gonna be able to also build your blog and other things that are very important for running your business long term, because you can literally be writing blogs about the stuff that is related to your digital products and linking those digital products to your blog, just like I have it on my own personal website right here. And all of these blogs, if you read them, they either link to my digital product that I'm selling or link to my YouTube video or, you know, something else. All right, so by clicking website styles on the left-hand side, we can change the main colors, we can change fonts, and we can change buttons and animations. So for example, if you don't like Montserrat font, we can just go for Prosto 1 and click reset, and it automatically changes across entire website. As you can see, this is a section for your blog, but what I would personally do is I would add a section for your product down below the main header of your website. And since it's a personal website, here's how I would structure it a little bit differently. So I would have something like creator, designer, entrepreneur right here, right? So just a little bit about yourself, and I would change this main image. I would replace this image with something of your own. Here you go. So this is going to be section for products. Down below going to be section for my blog, and down below I'm going to leave customer reviews, and I would personally remove this section. Then you could add your own socials here, right? By clicking this and clicking edit social icons, and you just add your own social medias here. Now we need to add the product to our product store. And what we're going to do is we're going to click here, and we're gonna go to store manager. Gonna select our country, our currency. I'm from Lithuania, but I'm still gonna be using USD because I want to sell in USD currency. I'm gonna click continue. Most important thing once you get there, don't forget to add your payment processing here. So add and connect your PayPal and connect your Stripe, right? So you're gonna be able to process payments. Then we're gonna click products. And first thing what I'm gonna do, because these products are completely irrelevant, I'm just gonna select all of them, and I'm gonna click delete. Gonna click add product. This is obviously gonna be a digital product. Dark aesthetic preset for Instagram, TikTok videos, or just dark aesthetic LUT. Now for the description, I'm just gonna simply use what ChatGPT has generated us. So I'm just gonna use this product description. You can select a price here, and this product I'm gonna go for $9.95. And honestly, I always like to add a discounted price. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this product for $19.95, and discounted price is gonna be $9.95. And this is where we're gonna need to add a digital product, right? The file for the digital product. So I'm just gonna click here, and I'm just gonna add the LUT right here. So once people purchase it, they immediately get this download link, right? So they can download it and use it right away. And again, guys, if you get a Hostinger using my coupon code, don't forget to email me at this email you're seeing right here, and I'll send you my entire LUTs package so you can use them yourself, and you can also sell them as your own. Then let's not forget to add some media. So for the product media, I'm just gonna add a logo that I already have built for this product, and I'm gonna add another one, which is gonna be kind of like a cover image, right? And then we're gonna click save. That's it. We have the product in store. Now we need just to make it live on our website. So just click edit website right here. Don't forget to connect your domain right here when you're building your website. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna click add section. I'm gonna click online store and we're gonna go for single product right here. We're then gonna click edit section and we're gonna go to product and we're gonna select the product that we already have. And the product is gonna be right here. People, once they click add to back, they can purchase it right away. Before you click go live, make sure you have a few things in place. So you have your domain connected, you have your payment processors connected to your store, you have most important thing, your product right here, so you can send people directly to your website and people can purchase it. I would personally give away this product for free to some people so they can leave some reviews. So when people come to your website, they can see the reviews of your product. This is gonna increase your sales, obviously. Set up your footer nicely, add your physical address right here, more information, set up your newsletter here. And I would start writing my blog depending on what type of niche you are in. So your website could look better over time. And also remember that these things rank in Google, generating you more extra traffic to your website. Just feel free to use my personal website that I have built as an example how to build and set up your own website using Hostinger. And don't forget to always look how your website looks on the mobile, right? So you would just click right here and it shows you how the website looks on the mobile, because majority of the users going to our website is going to be on mobile. So make sure it also looks nice and clean on the mobile. And once you have everything set up, you just click go live right here and you're done. Just like Video Luts, I believe that Notion templates are among one of the most easiest digital products you can create. I made a decent amount of money by selling my own Notion template. The beauty about it is that I built that template for myself, and all I had to do after that is just to put it in my digital product store and sell it. For example, right now I'm using Notion to write the outline for this YouTube video. So I could literally turn this into a product, a YouTube script writing template or something like that. And my advice for those who want to start selling digital products is to think about stuff that you already have built for yourself, as it's highly likely that others will want that thing, that solution that you built as well. Now, the biggest moneymaker on the list, in my opinion, is online courses and communities. I personally made the most money in the digital product space by combining an online course with community, which is essentially a digital product with community access on top of it. And my Video Lut that I sold at the beginning was a Kickstarter for my online course and the community that I have right now. When I started selling that Video Lut, I kept getting feedback from customers asking for video tutorials on how to use it and how to create better reels on Instagram. Then I created video lessons on that and sold it as a video course. Then people wanted more access to me, so I added the community. And once people joined the community and started asking me more questions, I simply turned those into video lessons, and over time this thing grew. Now I run a community and educational program with over 3,000 members. All right, so you can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows that it exists, you will make no sales. And I'm not a big fan of running paid ads right away for your product because you don't know if it sells or not. And with the platforms like Instagram giving you such a wide reach in a very short period of time, I think you can easily set up your brand on Instagram and start getting sales for a digital product within first week. So here's how my game plan would look like for the first 30 days to generate sales with my digital product. Step 1, choose a digital product that you want to sell. You can pick from the ones I already mentioned in this video, and I highly recommend selecting something that will not require you months to build it. Things like Video Luts, Notion templates, or even a membership community are very good ones because you don't need to spend a lot of time creating them. Next, I would use Hostinger to set everything up, get a professional email and domain name, and most importantly, have my landing page and product ready. After that, I would go on Instagram and I would research 10 to 15 creators who are selling similar digital products and they are getting a lot of views and have good amount of followers, ideally over 50,000 followers. Then I would set up my own Instagram profile to look professional with a clean bio and professional looking profile picture. Then I would research what type of content performed the best for these creators in the past 3 to 6 months and create a list of those reels, just on Excel spreadsheet or on Notion. Once I have my product and a landing page ready, I would start creating content myself, using that content I saved from those creators as inspiration. And I would leverage that content as a marketing tool to sell my digital product. Here's an example of how you could create viral content that at the same time grows your brand while acting as a marketing tool for your product. That's why selling video LUTs is so lucrative, because content like this tends to go viral easily and can generate you a lot of sales at the same time. I would also recommend integrating some sort of software like ManyChat into your Instagram profile, because instead of asking people to click a link in your bio to get your LUT, include a call to action in your content, asking them to comment a specific keyword, and then ManyChat can send them an automated message to purchase your LUT or any digital product that you're selling. This way, you're going to be able to boost your engagement and establish personal connections with your audience. And speaking of growing your audience, I recently uploaded this video showing you exactly how to build your audience from scratch. So if you want to see that, just click here and watch it right away.